southernmost region of Africa lies the smallest yet most botanically diverse of the 6 floral kingdoms, the Cape Floral Kingdom. Most of this unique biome is made of fynbos, a prolific shrubland and one of the richest and most beautiful plant regions in the world. This is a landscape of intricate details and miraculous adaptations, where every living organism fits together harmoniously in a complex web of symbiotic survival. It's about the little things, how the birds pollinate the flowers, how ants carry the seeds underground, how fire brings forth new life from the ashes. Within this spectacular kingdom of biodiversity lies the Grootbos Private Nature Reserve, a luxury lodge committed to the conservation of this floral region, while at the same time contributing to sustainable nature-based livelihoods for local communities. Through dedicated observation and 20 years of research, Grootbos has discovered 6 completely new species to science, with 4 of them found only within the borders of this reserve. Experience the majesty of the Cape Floral Kingdom on guided tours that bring the landscape to life through stories and activities, whilst actively contributing to the conservation of this World Heritage Site. Grootbos Private Nature Reserve, in the heart of the Cape Floral Kingdom.